Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support you have been giving to my channel and my past videos. For those who are new to my channel, I just want to tell you that I make educational videos on how to make learning fun for small kids. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you specifically about how to introduce the concept of multiplication to small kids. So I feel instead of making kids muck up a lot of things, it's better to decode it for them and come to their level and make them understand these small little nuances, these small little concepts in the play way, because like I always say, kids learn the most while they play. So I'm going to show you how I introduced the concept of multiplication to my 5-year-old. I introduced it to him when he was 4, and the method that I opted was so easy for him to understand. Anything multiplication related that I do with him, he does it with a lot of ease. So let's get started. For this activity, here I have taken these pipe cleaners. As you can see, what I have done is I have created small rings out of these pipe cleaners. These are easily available in the market, just to make this activity a little more colorful and vibrant in terms of, my child is absolutely attracted towards colorful things, so I opt for these things. These are colorful pom-poms. You can also opt for anything that is available at home, like kidney beans or chickpeas, chola rajma or whatever small little thing. Kids learn the most when you provide things which are physical in nature. This whole activity can be done with a pen and paper approach also, but I choose to go for these manipulatives. These are dry erase markers, and this is a whiteboard. You can opt for any of them. I got it from a local store. This is a times tables book which I have found handy. I have got it from Amazon. I'll link it below in the description box for those who want to buy it. This comes later, once the child knows the concept of multiplication. And to teach them the concept of multiplication, we ourselves have to be very clear about what we are going to teach them. So when we talk of multiplication, what is multiplication? Multiplication is basically a grouping of objects in equal quantity, right? So this is exactly what we are going to teach them. I'm also going to talk about the various terms that are often associated with multiplication, like times, multiplied by, into, product, table, and commutative property. I'll come to that later. But when we say multiplication, we'll have to introduce this sign, the multiplication sign or the times sign, to the child, so that when they see a particular problem, they know that they have to multiply. Like how we teach addition and subtraction, so we teach them the plus or the minus for addition and subtraction. Similarly, we have to teach them this into sign, this cross sign. To explain this concept, let me take the camera a little closer. So my first problem here is 2 by 3, or 2 into 3, or 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 means, as the term only suggests, that 2 times 3. So we have to create 2 times 3 objects to be placed 2 times. For that, what I'll do is I'll take 2 of these loops, 2 times 3, and we'll put 3 pom-poms in each loop, right? So 2 times 3, 1, 2, 3, and the child will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now, going to the next step of it, we'll do just the reverse of this. 3 times 2, like this, 3 times 2. Okay, we'll take 3 times 2. We'll take 3 loops and we'll put 3 times 2. So we'll repeat 2 3 times in these 3 loops. It gives us the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it gives us the number 6, which means the product of two numbers remain the same even when the order is reversed, and this is called commutative property, right? So they need to understand that 2 times 3 and 3 times 2 will give us the same answer. Moving on to the next problem, it says 3 times 4. I'll take 3 loops and put 4 pom-poms. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It gives us the answer 12. And if we reverse this order, like we place 4 loops and keep 3 pom-poms in each loop, it will give us the same result. Now I'll show you how I practice this with my 5-year-old. Hi Abby.
Hi, Mama.
So you have to do this 4 by 6. 4 multiplied by 6.
1, 2,
So 4 multiplied by 6 is?
24.
Write it down. You can also teach them the concept of skip counting for them to be able to remember their tables by heart. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a separate video on that as well. And I'll show you how my child can actually remember tables through the method of skip counting that he has learned. 2 ones are?
2,
2 twos are?
4,
2 threes are?
2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, 2, 10.
So that's it for this video. Hope you liked my ideas. If you liked it, please do share a thumbs up and share it with other parents or teachers or caregivers you know. If not done already, please do subscribe to this channel. And there is Appy Mommy on Instagram and Facebook as well. Thank you so much. If you have any feedback to share, please share it on the comment section below. Or if you have any other ideas that you want to share around multiplication, then please share it on the comment section below. So bye-bye for now.